Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your screen size in OBS Studio so your recordings and streams look perfectly framed in 2026. First, select your source. Before you can resize anything, you need to tell OBS which part of your layout you want to change. Open OBS Studio and look at your sources dock at the bottom. Click on the source you want to adjust, such as display capture or game capture. A red bounding box will appear around that source in the preview window, indicating it is ready to be edited. Next, manual scaling and fitting. Most sizing issues happen because your monitor resolution doesn't match your OBS canvas, leaving awkward black bars on the sides. Click and drag any of the red circles on the corners of the bounding box to scale the image up or down. If your screen is way too small or off-center, right-click the source in the preview, go to Transform, and select Fit to Screen, or press Ctrl+F. Many users have ultra-wide or 4K monitors. Using Fit to Screen automatically snaps your source to the edges of your recording canvas, ensuring there are no empty black spaces in your final video. To crop out specific parts, like a taskbar, hold the Alt key while dragging the red edges. The border will turn green, showing that you are cropping the image rather than resizing it. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.